Hello, my name is Ilya Feinberg, and welcome to the Finecraft. There are some really cool stuff being announced for Power Platform at Build this year. Even more integration between Power Platform and Office, and even easier access to artificial intelligence. Join me for top 5 Power Platform announcements from Build 2022. Let's go. First thing is Power Pages. And yes, I said Power Pages and not Power Apps portals. It's not just a name change though. There are some really cool features coming in that make it possible to build web portals for enterprises at any scale. For example, there's a new design studio that caters both to developers and makers. You can still do a lot with point and click, but now you have a code view, you have Visual Studio integration, and source control with GitHub. To give makers a head start, there's now also a new templates hub. Pick the template that you want and customize it to your heart's content. More templates will be added in the future. Is there something you don't know how to do? Don't go search the internet just yet, because Power Pages now has a Learn Hub. All the tutorials you need to build the portals that you want. Okay, now Power Apps. I'm really excited about this one. In my video about UX principles, link in the description below, I mentioned the importance of prototyping your apps. It can be something as simple as a sketch on a napkin or something more elaborate like a full color prototype in a professional tool. However you do it, the important thing is that you do it. Now here's the cool thing. Now you can draw your prototype on a napkin, take a photo with your phone, and turn it into an actual Power App. No, I'm serious. You draw the app wireframe on a page as clearly as you can, snap a picture, upload it to Power App Studio, and with the power of Azure Computer Vision, the UI elements on the image will be recognized as labels, fields, buttons, and so on. You can then fine-tune the purpose of each field, like text, number, date, whatever else, and create a data model based on those fields. That means that you can build your app from pretty much anything. A photo, a PDF, PowerPoint, doesn't matter. For those wanting to go the extra mile, you can use Figma, a professional UX design tool. Aside from your prototype looking freaking awesome, importing Figma allows you to go from prototype to app even faster. If you're using the Figma UI kit, Power Apps will automatically recognize field types and controls, so you won't have to spend as much time on mapping. An app with a data model from a photo that feels like we're living in the 21st century, doesn't it? Hey Siri, can you build an app?
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help with?
Well, I guess not all AIs are created equal. Power Virtual Agents made a huge leap forward. And I wish I could tell you more about it, but I don't know much about PVA. Fortunately, I know a guy. Henry, I heard PVA has some pretty cool new features. Want to tell me about it?
Hi Ilya, thanks for having me on the Finecraft. There was a really big announcement at Microsoft Build for Power Virtual Agents and how we do conversational AI at Microsoft. I truly believe that PVA is now more relevant than ever in the Power Platform and Dynamics 365 portfolio. Historically, citizen developers would use Power Virtual Agents to easily build low-code bots, and professional developers would use the Bot Framework Composer to use advanced capabilities. Even though the two experiences were integrated, there were seams between these two products that created frictions. At Build, we announced that PVA is getting a new unified authoring canvas, rebuilt from the ground up, that brings the powerful capabilities of Bot Framework Composer to our low-code platform. This new bot building approach combines the advanced functionalities of Bot Framework with the ease of use and end-to-end bot building experience of Power Virtual Agents. Now, professional developers and subject matter experts can easily collaborate within the same studio to build powerful conversational bots and IVRs, putting collaboration at the heart of PVA and enabling fusion teams. On bot development, I want to call out a few new great capabilities. Rich responses with adaptive cards, a new PowerFX-based variable system, code side by side to move between a visual editor and code, as well as many productivity enhancements for bot builders.
Oh wow, I was right, it is really cool. Thank you, Henry, let's catch up later. Don't forget to follow Henry on Twitter and LinkedIn. Links in the description below. There's almost nothing Power Automate can do, and that almost becomes smaller every day. If you're running unattended desktop flows, rejoice! You don't need to set up your own VMs anymore. With hosted RPA, desktop flows can run in the cloud by setting up Azure VMs automatically. Process mining also becomes better. With better visuals, and the ability to share analytics right from the Power Automate portal. The big announcement is that Power Automate goes modular. You would be able to take the Cloud Flows editor and embed it into your own web apps with your own set of connectors. That means that your users will be able to create flows specific to the product that you make. And last but not the least, Power BI. I have to admit, I'm not a BI guy, so I was very happy to find out that the latest additions to Power BI are not meant for BI people, they are meant for regular people who use reports every day. Like Data Mart, a new way to consolidate data sources and create reports with ease aimed at business users. But what really blew my mind was Power BI reports embedded in PowerPoint. Imagine, you present a deck at a status call and you have a sales report on one of your slides. And someone says, oh, that's nice, but there's only a chart in here. Please add a screenshot of the table with actual numbers. And you just click on the tables button and load in real-time data into your presentation like a boss. Presentations will never be the same. All the changes that you make in the report in PowerPoint are saved in the PowerPoint file and do not affect the original report. So if you added a filter, it will show the same way to someone opening the same deck, but not to someone opening the same report in Power BI. So these are the top 5-ish announcements from Build 2022. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.